All right, man. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to do another video here. This is a Power Drive 3. And on this one here, this guy don't live here all the time. So his batteries are dead. So instead of buying new batteries like he should, we're going to put him a toggle switch where he can make his charger a hot charger when he needs it, or it can be a regular charger if he turns the switch off. And all we've done was taken the 2 wires on the relay, spliced one of them, ran it to one side of the switch like this, and then we taken the other wire off the other side of the relay and ran it to the other side of the switch. Hold over here, Matt. So what it's going to be is going to be one side of the wire on this side of the switch, and the other side going here. So whenever you turn the switch on, it bypasses the relay and makes it a hot charger. And then when you get enough juice in the battery pack for the charger to stay on, you just turn the switch off and it makes it a regular charger where it can shut off by itself. All right, man, if you got any questions, let me know. Thank you.